The purpose of today was to bring together a range of experts from across the construction industry to examine, one, whether there is a performance gap, as we believe there is, and two, to discuss around that subject to see whether we can come up with some solutions as to how we address that problem for the wider built environment.
So I felt that today went really well. It was really good to sit around and discuss matters pertaining to the performance gap. But I think collectively, as people involved within construction, we all have a responsibility to work together to enable this gap, which is clearly here at the moment, to be reduced. And then I think in that reducing, we can figure out how to completely eradicate it.
What I found really interesting today was talking to different people from within the industry and their view on what the performance gap is and what constitutes a performance gap. None of them are building bad buildings or designing bad buildings or operating bad buildings. Maybe we've just got an unrealistic expectation of how these buildings and these building systems are going to perform in the real world.
Everybody has a role to play to help design the solution to meeting the performance gap. Whether you're a designer, an installer, a contractor, there are parts of your system that you can improve, and how you can do that together to deliver a better optimised system is really the key message.
We will only address it if we work collectively. Hackett's review and other reviews at the moment are indicating that that's the direction of travel that the industry is likely to take, and our role is to ensure that we as insulation manufacturers are at the forefront of that, and that we, rather than have things done to us that are required, we actually lead and we implement those changes for the good of the industry and for the good of the wider built environment.